Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadisiac. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Alright you guys, so long time no see. I know that I've been gone for like a month and a half, almost 2 months at this point. But if you guys want to know why I was gone, you can definitely check out the community tab on my channel because I posted something that would explain everything. So thank you guys so much for just being patient and still continuously supporting my channel. I've noticed that we've still been able to grow even in my absence, so that's amazing. If you're new to my channel, if you've subscribed like over the course of a month and a half, then definitely say hello in the comments. So you guys, it is so hot today. I might turn that fan on in a second because it is seriously so hot. Now, before I jump into today's video, just wanted to point out that the background looks a little bit different. So I did put a white bedding set. Well, actually it's not really a bedding set. It's more like a duvet cover. I think that's how it's pronounced. But I've been having issues with my lighting for a while now, and I came to the conclusion that it's because I have a lot of colors in my room. So I just kind of put the white down so that it can kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? Neutralize things. Let me know what you guys think, if the lighting looks any better. I feel like it makes me stand out more and it makes my skin pop, so I'm kind of liking it. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be discussing why are my edges in my nape. I put my hair up purposely so you guys can see this. Why are my edges in my nape breaking off? I have been gone, like I said, from YouTube for like a month and a half, and during this time I noticed that my edges in my nape have not been getting the TLC that they deserve and that they need. So in this video, I'm gonna both show you guys my edges in my nape, the breakage, and I'm also gonna explain reasons why I think my edges in my nape have been breaking off, just based off of my routine, my regimen, and stuff like that. Let me just take my hair out and I'm going to separate these areas. So I'm just gonna leave the nape for a little later. But let me just pin this. And by the way, I'm using my snappy hair tie. I still love these things. So you guys, here are the areas, and I'm going to get a white sheet of paper so that you guys can see like everything and it's super clear. So I'll start off on this side because it's a little bit shorter. So alright, so this is what the area looks like. I have some length, I have a bit of thickness, and I pretty much contribute that to the castor oil. So ever since a few years ago, I want to say that was like 2015, I have been using castor oil. So it's been a few years of me incorporating that oil into my regimen once a week, massaging it on this area. So it's not bad. But you can see that it's short. I mean, compared to how long the rest of my hair is, which I'll pull the front of my hair so we can see the comparison. You know, that's kind of short. So it has been breaking. It's not the worst that I've seen my edges, but it's just not the healthiest. And you guys know me by now. I just want for my hair to be super healthy, and if I can correct something with my hair, then I will. Now this side is a little bit longer. I'm gonna put the paper as well. Okay, and here you can kind of see like it starts out thick and then it kind of thins out a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I'll put a picture because I was scrolling through my pictures the other day and I saw I still had this picture in my phone actually. So here's a picture from, I want to say 2014, of when I noticed my edges were like not in the best shape. I had length, but in the middle it was like a patch of my hair was gone. Like it was very short, broken off. My edges have definitely made progress from that point, but like I said, I just feel like this area can be a lot healthier. In looking at my hair care practices, I've noticed where I've gone wrong. So that's my edges. The nape. The nape of my hair, I've never had issues with this area until now. For me, you guys, this is a bit I don't want to say embarrassing. I have shared with you guys all of my setbacks throughout my natural hair journey. I will be 8 years natural in July, so not really embarrassing, but it's just like I'm not really proud, you know, that my hair is going through this. But everyone has issues with their hair. I'll try to turn so you guys can like see. Okay, but this part you guys can clearly see that it has been breaking off, and this is the area that concerns me the most because it's really short and they've just gotten shorter over time. Because I know everybody has like shorter pieces back here, but some people have shorter nape hair than others, and that is breakage. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly go over, or as quickly as possible, go over the reasons why my edges in nape have been breaking, and I have everything written down in my handy dandy notebook. Reason number one that I have written down here is anemia. So if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, in 2016 I found out that was anemic. When you're anemic, it affects your hair by causing excessive shedding. Sometimes it can loosen your curl pattern. Your hair is weaker. I know that when I had like all of the symptoms, one thing that I noticed was that my hair was very, very weak. Like I was keeping up with my protein treatments because I do have fine high porosity hair, so that's definitely something that I stay on top of. So when you have weaker hair, it's more susceptible to breakage, and that's why I feel that it has affected both my edges and my nape. Reason number two, and this is the biggest reason I feel that both my edges and my nape have been breaking off. So in 2018, I was contacted by a brand to try out their edge control. I don't believe it's the brand or anything. I just think that my hair is very, very sensitive to gel. It doesn't matter what kind of gel or what kind of edge control it is. Like all of them pretty much are going to be drying to some extent, and that can break your hair off. So I used that edge control from 2018 to the end of 2019, and that's really when I started to notice a lot of breakage. Like you guys can even go back to my older videos. Now the end of 2019, I was gifted another edge control by a different company. So I was using all of this edge control, you guys. Like I said, I'm not specifically targeting these edge controls or these brands. I think any edge control would do this because they have a super strong hold and they do dry your hair out to some extent. Okay, so the third reason, and this is actually something that I just mentioned previously, and that is I've been doing a lot of updos, buns, slick back styles, and all of that stuff, and there's nothing wrong with those hairstyles. But you just have to be careful because with those hairstyles, you are just going to want to use edge control and gel to make it look sleek, to make it look laid. And that's what I've been doing a lot. So I think that the increase of those styles, even though it's been like protective styling, it's been helping the length of my hair, but it hasn't been so great for like my edges in my nape. The next reason, number 4, is that my scarf sometimes comes off at night. I just really wanted to treat myself to like a high quality scarf because my other ones were like from the beauty supply store, not really the best quality. Who even knows if it's real silk, you know? So this one, it's way thicker than like my silk scarves, and it has like more slip to it. So this one glides off of my head even more so than my silk scarves, and I've been using this one for not that long. I've used it like on and off, but like scarves in general, they just slide off of my head at night sometimes. Reason number 5 is, okay, so this is something that you guys probably have no idea that I do. It's nothing too crazy. I think everybody kind of does this. When these areas, my edges and my nape, when they're dry and brittle, what I like to do is play with them, and I will just like keep on touching them. I don't know what it is. Literally what I'm doing is I'm manipulating my dry brittle hair, and you don't want to do that because that's just going to add to the breakage. This is the last reason, number 6, and I talked about it previously a little bit, and that is not moisturizing these areas enough. When your nape is dry, moisturize it, because this is what's gonna happen, okay? This is what's gonna happen. Now I have been doing much better. I have been moisturizing and sealing my edges and my nape every single night, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys like what I do, what I use, everything in the video, so I don't want to like explain it all right now, but that has been helping tremendously. Those are all of the reasons as to why I believe my edges in my nape have been breaking. Like I said, my edges have come a long way, but this new breakage within my nape I think has really been due to like not moisturizing enough, using a lot of edge control, the slick back styles. So yeah, there's definitely changes that I've made already during my hiatus from YouTube that I'm really glad that I made. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know if you have ever experienced problems with your edges or your nape. If you're currently experiencing problems, please let me know. Feel free to share this video and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.